The holidays are here, and while we want to celebrate, we also do not want to go broke. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 10 holiday budgeting hacks to help you save big this December while enjoying your festive season. Statistics have shown that people tend to spend high during, or tend to spend more during the festive season, and that's the reason I'm making this video. So enjoy. So number one hack is for you to set a realistic holiday budget. And how do you do this? You allocate specific amount for gifts, food, travel, and decoration. How do you do this? You have to take your pen and paper to do this, or you use budgeting apps like Excel template or other budgeting tools. This is for you to help. This is budgeting practically helps you. Get a pen and paper. Okay, for travel, this goes to travel. For these, that. All right. Number two, you have to create a gift list and stick to it. How do you do this? Write down everyone you need to buy gifts for. And set a spending cap per person. This is not the time you have to start buying impulsively. No, you have to be how do I put it? You have to be accountable. All right, so you have to create a gift list. This goes to sister this, sister that, and stick to it. Stick to your budget. Do not exceed your budget. Do not do more than your budget. Number three hack you have to do is for you to do your gift yourself. All right, do your gift yourself. You can make handmade gifts, or buy items in bulk to split among those who will be receiving them. For example, my mom, she buys her gift items in bulk, in plenty. Or then you do these things yourself. For example, you can customize your mugs, make sweaters, knit things yourself, just handmade, to save costs. Hack number four is for you to buy things in bulk, food items in box, or join a group purchase. How do you do this? You gather friends, family, or neighbors who are probably interested, right? You buy things like rice, like drinks. Bulk purchases always come with discounts, especially at local markets or wholesale shop. So instead of buying individually, you know you pool money with friends to buy a large bag at wholesale price and divide it among yourself. And there are still groups this December that you can actually join. So you just have to look for them, search for them online. They are available within your area. Join those people. This is going to help you, cut costs. You can also buy crates of drinks at wholesale price this holidays. Hack number five, you should take advantage of holiday sales and discounts. There are thousands of them right now. Right, there are plenty of them. People are having discount sales here and there. Take advantage of those sales. You can even use platforms. Go to platforms like Jumia, Konga. They have Black Friday deals. Apart from those, you still have other local holiday sales and discount sales you can join. Compare prices and then you buy. Hack number six is for you to save on decorations. You can reuse your old decorations. Some of us have old decorations. You can use paper. You can use paper to design. I don't know how to do that magic, but you can create magic with paper. All right, or you buy second hand design material. There's no time for you to start spending unnecessarily. The economy is not actually smiling. Hack number seven is for you to plan potluck dinners. I love potluck because we come together, bring our resources, and then cook. What do? You share the cost of meals by asking everyone to contribute. Yes, it's not bad. It's a time for festivity. It's time for us to come together, for us to enjoy ourselves. So it saves you from bearing all the food expenses. All right, it saves you from bearing. All you need to do is share the cost of meals, split the bill. People come together. What do I bring to the table? What do I bring to the table? What do I bring? This is not the time for you to start spending anyhow. You have to spend with your sense because you don't want to go broke in January. So you try as much as possible to manage your resources effectively, especially when it comes food tends to take more. You have to be very wise when it comes to food. Hack number eight, you have to set limit entertainment spending. This one time you start going for big takeout. Limit. You can opt for free or low cost holiday events like carol singing, community activities instead of expensive outings. This is a time you don't need expensive outing or dates this period. Hack number Nine is for you to set boundaries for your travel expenses. If you're traveling to see a family, you should start booking your ticket on time. You consider affordable options like using buses, group rides. This is a time where the time of visitation. Some of people come down all the way to see their family in their villages, or some travel to see their family. Whatever it is, just make sure you're doing something really, really affordable. Now, this is the festive season, and this is like the most important. Hack number 10 is the most important because we don't want to actually go broke in 2025. That is why you have to monitor your expenses. Whatever you're spending this period determines your income or your particular amount in January. So you have to track your spending regular, monitor your expenses daily, or weekly. We have few weeks left for December. You have to monitor your spending to avoid overspending. You don't have to overspend. Remember, stick to your budget. Stick to your budget. You can use apps like Simple Notebook. There are thousands and tons of apps, or use Money Manager, or you do your personal review thing yourself. Why I'm focusing on this is because this money part is not the time where you start, you don't want to start crying in January. So make sure you are tracking your spending regularly to help yourself. These hacks that I've shared with you will help you enjoy the holidays without any financial stress. Let me know your favorite hack in the comments, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. My name is Okori Janet, and I'm thanking you for sticking with me till the end of this video. Until my next video, bye.